and gentlemen, good evening. I'm not the captain, I'm not the crew, and I'm not going to tell you about the weather in Cyprus. Know that you are arriving in Larnaca shortly. As a matter of fact, I would like to ask one of our passengers a small question. Rana, would you marry me?
She